welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a very special August subscription box for you guys. So this is a Japanese and Korean makeup box. So this is called No Makeup No Life. This is the brand. It is a mixture of 8 to 9 like Korean or Japanese skincare products or makeup. They have so many cool brands. This retails for $35 US. They ship internationally, and I'm really excited to see what's freaking inside. This is the August box, and it is so freaking cute. I honestly, like, I'm blown away with how cute this freaking box is. It arrived on my doorstep and I was like, oh my god, the diamond, the like mouth, the like, it's so freaking cute. I'm so excited to try it. I'm really excited to see what's inside as well, because I actually have no idea. It's a complete mystery. I have been on their website, and if you can see here, it's a Japanese Korean beauty box subscription. Enjoy a monthly beauty box containing 8 to 9 items of Korean and Japanese cosmetics plus skincare, and free shipping worldwide. So yeah, free shipping is pretty good. And it says you have 27 days left to get a September box. So in the month of, say, August, you must only be able to buy September, so you can buy the next month when it is that current month, so it'll arrive to you on time, which I think is really cool. So you can go into here and it tells you the pricing of the different boxes. Now I think if you do buy, oh, it's telling you what's in September's box. I don't know what's in this one, I didn't look. So pretty much the best value, so if you get it for 12 months, it's only $31.50. If you get 6 months, $32. If you get 3 months, $33.50, and monthly, it's $35. So the more months you subscribe to, the more kind of money, like the less money you'll make. So it's got 2 Instagrammable beauty items, 1 beauty tool, and 5 to 6 beauty products. So I'm really excited to see what's inside. So I think what we should do is open it up. So no makeup, no life. Yes. Alright, and so what does it say here? Japanese and Korean beauty box. It is so freaking cute. Like, okay guys, so Korean and Japanese like culture is just so freaking cute. Like, just kawaii, so freaking cute. Yes. Alright, so let's open her up. I'm really excited to see it, guys. So what does it say here? Hey beautiful, love your box, share and tag, no makeup, no life. That's what it says on here. Alright, and then it's got, okay. Alrighty, what is in here? Alright, so what is this here? Oh, so it's like got a little book. Okay, before we get into this, let's read this little book. So, Ready, Set, Glow. Okay, Ready, Set, Glow. Get featured. So it tells you how you can get featured. Scan me for a surprise. Yes. Oh my god, cute. Okay, so it's telling me what's in here by looking at it. I'm just not going to look. I'm just going to flip the pages like that. So it's pretty much telling you what each thing is, which is really helpful. So, oh damn, now I'm like getting into this. This is done really well for $35 US. Like, this is pretty freaking onto it. Yeah, and then it's got subscriber specials on the back as well. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to open it up. Alrighty, so we've got our book here. Let's put that down. And then this one here. So this is a whipped cream face wash mask situation. So I think the reason why they've got a book to tell you everything is because this is actually in English, where all of this is in either Japanese or Korean. So it is in a language, like if you didn't speak those languages you wouldn't really be able to read it. So I think that's actually really cool, because it caters for an English audience as well. So this is the Momo whipped cream face wash. So it doesn't have a number on it, so I just need to kind of look in the book to see. Here we go. Number 5, Momo Urahara Awa Piscino Foaming Tool plus Cleansing Powder Set. Bubble and foaming cleansers are the hype in Japan, and the Awa Piscino Foaming Tool helps you to lather face and body wash in no time. This set comes with 2 packages of skin enzyme cleansing powder that you can use with the foaming tool. Tip: did you use your cleaning powder? Why don't you try the foam tool with the Div facial cleanser that also comes in your August box. Key point: lather facial cleanser or body soap in for 20 seconds. That's really cool. I think it's really cool how it gives you this book that explains everything. I think that's really awesome. So it's got a picture of the side. So I'm excited to try that. You guys let me know if you want a review on any of these things. Let me know in the comments down below. But I'm just going to pop her there. And then what is this one? So this looks like, oh, it's a Choco Mint face mask. So there's a lot of debate about if people actually like mint flavored like chocolate, that kind of thing. I love mint, so Oh, this is right up my alley. So chocolate mint face mask, yes. Oh my god, that's so cool. All right, where are we here? Choco mint face mask. Choco mint is a super trendy in Japan, and not only when it comes to food, even sheet masks come in this trendy flavor. So can you taste it? Is it gonna taste like it? Oh my god. Cacao moisturizes the skin while the mint lightens and refreshes, and on top of that, this mask smells amazing. Tip: feel refreshed on a hot summer day with this sheet mask. Key point: a unique sheet mask that uses mint to tighten the skin. I mean, I'm not gonna floor Japan's or Koreans or Chinese, any of the Asian cultures. Their skins are phenomenal and snatched, so if this stuff can help me out, bring it on. All right, put that one there, and then what is this? This is a cosmetic. Oh my god, snail essential cream. What the hell? Snail essential cream. Snail secretion filtrate will provide nutrients and elasticity for your skin. Oh no, I'm so doing a review on this. Oh goodness. Okay, so even lips spout pouch snail essential cream. Snail's mucus is a popular ingredient for skincare nowadays. It effectively improves your skin elasticity. In addition, this cream comes in a convenient spout pouch and includes 10 different kinds of seeds to moisturize your skin. Tip: this lightweight spout pouch is perfect to bring on a trip or a sleepover. Key point: snail extract moisturizes your skin and reduces fine lines. Yuck, I'm so excited. Yuck, oh my god. Yes, you don't know what you're gonna get, girl. Alright, so what is next? Ooh, Daydream Unicorn 2-way lip and eye gloss. Alrighty. Lip and eye gloss. Where are we at with that? I think it might be the Aurora Iron Lip Topper, but this says it's Daydream Unicorn. But yeah, maybe everyone can use a little extra glamour in their life. That's why we've included the Aurora Iron Lip Topper. Yeah, this must be it. In your box comes one in silver, purple, or pink. So you must be more. Apply a little in the middle of your eyelid or lip and fade it out with your finger or a brush. Add a little glamour to any makeup look. Right, so there must be a few more of these then. Or no, maybe it's telling me, so it either comes in silver, purple, or pink. So I have got the silver one, which I think is probably the most versatile one as well to use. So I'm excited to try that. That was real confusing because it's called Aurora, but that's like Daydream Unicorn. Oh, okay. Another mint chocolate. Yes, I think that's the theme. If you guys don't like mint chocolate, this box is probably not for you, but it is for me. So that is really exciting. Okay, so this one is the, here we are. So, the Choosy Moist Lip Pack. Give your lips a boost with a Choosy Moist Lip Pack in mint chocolate or banana chocolate. After scrubbing your lips with ... apply the lip pack for smooth and hydrated lips. Apply this lip pack for 5 to 30 minutes for the best... 5 to 30 minutes? Maybe 7 minutes? I don't know. Key point: these lip packs make your lips smooth and smell amazing. Well, my lips are pretty freaking dry at the moment, so I'm really excited to get that going. Like this pack just knew me. This pack knew what was up, and it was like, Cerise, I'm gonna help you out, girl. I'm gonna help you out. What is this? This is freaking cute as a cookie blusher. This is a Toad House. So I've actually got some items from a Toad House, and I love their products, so I'm really excited for them. But this is their Toad House Lovely Cookie Blusher. Give some colour to your face with these adorable blushes from a Toad House. The smooth and creamy formula is easy to apply with the fluffy applicator. In your box comes colour PK002 Grapefruit Jelly or PK004 Peach Chauffe Wafer. I think I've got the... oh no, what's 004? Yeah, the peach. I've got the peach one. This blush is pigmented, so be careful that you don't use too much at once. Key point: use blusher as cute as a cookie. Oh my god, I want to open this. I'm like, where is the little... open up for me so I can see the blusher that's inside because it looks so freaking cute. Oh my god, this is so adorable. Oh my god, that is freaking stunning. That is a stunning blush. Oh my god, and this little puff. Oh my god, the little puff. Oh my god, this whole Toad House. Hello. Amazing. That is so adorable. Okay, and then what have we got here? I have, oh, a Tony Moly product. I'm very familiar with Tony Moly. So this is the Petite Bunny Gloss Bar. So it is a cute as bunny gloss bar. Tony Moly Petite Bunny Gloss Bar. The Petite Bunny Gloss Bar is one of Tony Moly's most popular products of all times. Not only are they super cute, these gloss bars are also very moisturizing and come in cute natural sheer colors with a glossy finish. Did you notice that all bunnies have different facial expressions? Which one did you get? Ha! Mine's angry, mine's pissed. Mine is pissed AF. Tip, use on top of a matte lipstick to create a different effect. Key point, cute and moisturizing bunny gloss bars. Oh my god, he's so angry. Look at him. He's just like, ah, I hate everyone, blah. That is so cute. I love that. Okay, so now there is, last but not least, we have the Dive Rose Skincare Face Wash with natural fragrance. So this is the foaming facial cleanser. To achieve that natural glow, you need to take good care of your skin. In August box comes one of the 4 variations of Dive's face wash in deeply moisturizing honey, rose or charcoal. Tip, use this face wash in the morning and in the evening. Key point, face wash with all natural ingredients. I'm excited to try that. Oh my god. I'm blown away with what's in this box for $35 US. Like, it is a lot of stuff that you're actually getting, and free international shipping. I honestly don't know what to really say about this box. Also, I'm just reading this book now. Mini contest. So pretty much if you take a selfie with this, one subscriber can win all of the skincare that's in here. So this book isn't just about all of the products. It's just, well look, there's oh my god, this book is so cool. There's like a horoscope where you can pick which one. There's like a glam kit. Oh my god. I honestly didn't really know that this box existed, and then when I knew it existed, I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. Like, honestly, from what's in here, for the price of these things, like, this looks hella expensive. This looks like this would be like 30 bucks in itself. And a face cream, you know, for cosmetics wise, we got a lip gloss, we got a lip and eye topper, we got a blush, we got 2 kinds of masks, a face wash, and another face like care thing as well. Like, you got a whole collection of face things, masks, the cosmetics, like, and this book that describes everything to you for if you don't speak those languages. So don't be afraid if you're like, oh well, I don't know Japanese, I don't know Korean. Bitch, it's in English. It's in English. It'll tell you everything. Oh my god, I'm so blown away by this box. Thank you No Makeup No Life for this box. This is stunning, and I need every single one of these. This is so cool. For a monthly one, I feel like, you know, you could go through this in a month. Like, with that, maybe you wouldn't. But with the masks and stuff, you'd use it, and then the next month you get more cool stuff. Like, that's so cool. $35 US. Like, $35 US. And then you get free shipping as well. Like, I think what really sells it for me is this book that describes everything to you. Because I know, with me not being educated and knowing other languages, it's really hard if I go to the shop and I say pick up this and I'm like, oh, nothing's in English. So to have a book that tells you everything, it's like a little freaking newsletter. It has pictures, it has all these things in here. I think that this book is really just sold the whole thing to me. I think that this is amazing. 10 out of 10. You guys need to go get one and sign up and just, oh my god, I think that that is absolutely awesome. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys knew this box existed or if you just discovered it today. I'm so blown away and I can't wait to just get a million more. But yeah, until next time, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I love you guys so much and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!